I don't think they're saving this one. That is just, it's worn and rusted through on two different sides. I mean, just wow. Public service announcement. At the end of your season, shoot, in between cuttings in the middle of your season, pull the hay out of your chamber, gentlemen. Just don't let it sit there. And don't let it sit there for years. I mean, I get it. The production guys, they probably retired this baler and just left it sitting for years before some knucklehead said, hey, I could use that on my little 10 or 20 acres, and bought it as field ready and started going to town with it. But wow, what a mess. I mean, look at how far down this center screw is compared to the rest of this rail. That means that the rust underneath had pushed this up. The whole, just wow. Big old bow in it, holes, you know. And on this side, that's not even wear through. That's rust through from the back side. I don't know what to say. I just don't. Wow. Anyways, I'm going to Google it up and see if I can get a new rail for this. If not, then I'm just going to find a piece of angle iron and drill and cut out some holes and whatnot and put it in the top, and we'll make it work. It's not that complicated. I'm going to swap this, which one was on the top, to the bottom, and that way, if it's a different grade of steel, I don't believe it is, I'll bet you it's just mild steel, then that'll wear better, and I'll just throw in an angle iron one on the top if I have to. Because yeah, I'm pretty handy with a few things, but I think this is beyond my ability to repair. Yeah. Anyways, it's progress, right? It really is. We're making progress all the way around. These wear plates aren't in that bad a shape. This here was it the bottom? Yeah, this is the bottom, as evidenced by the angle of the knife, amongst other things. So those wear plates are fine. Yeah. Yeah, just a matter of cleaning this up. Still have to pull that one out. Maybe the top one here on the feeder side. But yeah, progress, guys. Cool stuff. It's interesting to tear into these machines and get a real understanding of them and how you can really make them work. So I'm appreciative for what I'm learning. And I don't like to see this. This makes me sad. I mean, it's just, that's just sad. But hey, we'll win. We'll get this thing back together and we'll have this thing running better than ever. Guaranteed. So Anyways, guys, I want to cut this video here. You can see I've got a lot of work to do on this baler still, and but we're going to make it run. We're going to get this bad boy just functioning the way it's supposed to. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day.